Being attractive as a guy in 2023 is actually not that hard. It just takes a little bit of effort, investment, and you'll get there. So gents, I've seen a couple of videos online telling guys on how to get a perfect glow or how to improve their self-image. Today, I'm gonna give you some of the tips and tricks that I'll use to actually get that glow. And of course, hopefully this can help you out. So I'm Brandon, and of course I'm here today from ElevationStyles. We're gonna be talking about how to get that glow and how to improve your overall image. Let's get into this video. So number one, you probably know by watching a lot of my videos that I rave on about you guys needing to have a good skincare routine. A skincare routine in 2023 is so essential. You need a moisturizer, you need a facial cleanser and a serum. But recently, for the past month or so, I've actually been using a vitamin C illuminating serum. This here is a game changer. It's actually gonna make your skin glow. This is gonna hydrate and soothe your skin. Guys, start using a vitamin C serum. It's actually so good for you. It's gonna make a bit of a difference. I already have a serum that has silver in it, but this definitely helped me achieve a good glow. And of course, having a good skincare routine is gonna help elevate you to another level. Of course, yes, it's nice having a good skin glow, but I want your overall body to be glowing as well. And this is actually gonna help improve your overall appearance. Gents, it doesn't matter what age you are, it doesn't matter where you're from, every guy should be doing some sort of resistance training. 100 push-ups, you should be squatting, you should be in the gym. If you can't afford a gym membership, do calisthenics. You should be doing something that's gonna keep you active. When you're active like this, guys, it's gonna make your body look better. When you look better, when you feel better, your clothes are gonna obviously fit better. This is common sense. No offense to guys out here, I still see guys lying in bed and not really doing much. Guys, I used to be overweight and I said to myself, I need to get myself in shape. It's not that hard, guys. Eating a calorie deficit if you're big, if you're skinny, eating a calorie surplus, work out, make sure you're progressively overloading. Do something that's actually gonna challenge you. And as well, guess what? You're gonna look better in clothes, as you can see in this video. 100% guys, you should be doing some sort of resistance training or hobby. Please, it's gonna help you achieve the overall glow that we need. The third point that's actually gonna help you achieve that glow is, guys, your style and the way you dress. Of course, this is ElevationStyles. I can never make a video without talking about style. Gents, especially if you're trying to achieve a nice glow, you need clothes that are gonna actually complement your skin tone. Usually for myself, I know things like beige, dark brown, olive, these are gonna complement my skin tone. That's why you see most of my pictures, I usually wear these colors because I wanna become the best dressed version of myself and I wanna put out a good overall image of myself. So please make sure that you're actually Googling colors that are gonna complement your skin tone. I know if you're a lighter skin tone, things like blue, purple, these are gonna look great on you. If you're darker skin tone, beige, olive, like I just said, these are also gonna look fantastic on you. Grooming is gonna be the fourth point that's actually gonna help you improve your overall image and of course help you achieve that fantastic glow. Gents, your grooming is just as important as your style. You've heard me say this countless of times and you keep hearing me say it time and time and again. You need to be getting your haircuts on a regular basis. You need to have a good shower routine. Do you have a facial scrubber? Do you have a body scrubber? Are you using natural products? Do you have a fragrance? Are you using deodorant? Guys, this is all important. I want you to be grooming yourself so well that people will be like, wow, this guy actually looks amazing. The fifth and final point that's gonna help you achieve that fantastic glow that we want and help you improve your overall image is just looking after your health. This is pretty straightforward. When was the last time you've been actually to the GP or you visited the doctors? Well, I'm actually going to get my bloods done. That's another point. When was the last time you actually got your bloods done? Do you take your multivitamins? Are you drinking enough water? Are you getting enough sleep? Guys, when you actually do all these other things like having a skincare product, yeah, I still know they're important, they're essential, but it's actually gonna make your life a little bit easier. When I went to my dermatologist and then she said, are you getting enough sleep? Are you drinking enough water? I was like, yeah, I mean, so how many hours I was getting? 5 hours sleep and I was drinking a liter of water a day. And then I actually started improving on this. And I'm telling you now, the difference is night and day. Gents, look after your overall health. Your health is wealth. There's no point walking around here being the best dressed guy, but you can't even like get yourself up straight, you're struggling, you have brittle bones. We want to be taking care of ourselves. So make sure that if you like this video, leave a like. Thank you again for the 1,000 subscribers. I am absolutely on top of the world. I told you that we're gonna be elevated to the next level. Keep coming along with us on this journey. Let's help us now reach 10,000 subscribers. Let's show all these haters that ElevationStyles is here. And I might actually do a giveaway, guys. So make sure to go follow me on Instagram. I want to do a little giveaway for the 1,000 subscribers. Thank you very much again. Make sure to be spreading the love. And of course, gents, I will see you on the next video.